Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring an opulent blue metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, enhanced automatic parking assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker, and the liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just inside here, we have our power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and on the right we have the cluster as well as audio controls. Turning the vehicle on here, we can check out the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio here, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can check out the navigation. And here is our map, showing it in reverse. Here's the backup camera and the surround vision. As well as that, we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats. We have our infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console, popping that open. Storage up top as well as down below with 2 USBs. Up top, digital rear view mirror, as well as OnStar SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some XT6 and Cadillac badging as well as the all-wheel drive. To open up the back here, all we gotta do is double click. It's gonna pop open for us. We have a good amount of storage space back here. You'll notice some power controls. Those are to drop the second and third rows of seats, making a ton of extra space. We also have some hidden storage down below. Very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats here, down at the bottom left is the manual seating adjustment, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. We have our rear climate control, 2 USBs, and all the way down to the bottom, cup holders and storage. Up top, handles paired with the dome light and vents, matched on the other side. And in the third row of seating here are the seats. We have vents on the roof as well as dome lights. And we also have cup holders with a USB-C matched on either side. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.